3 beautiful lamb shank. Awesome.
Salt, fenugreek dry, garlic, turmeric and dry mint leaves, pepper powder, lemon, and of course olive oil. And a bowl, salt, everything. Fresh lemon, olive oil, I'm gonna keep in fridge for overnight and then I'll see you tomorrow. The next day, let's open it. Perfect. So for the tempering, I'm going to use 3 onion, 3 carrot, and celery, garlic cloves, sage, bay leaf, pipli, cinnamon stick, clove, green cardamom, black cardamom, apricot, walnut, orange, and tomato sauce. Behind the camera, I'm gonna chop them up everything. Salt, paprika, curry powder, coriander powder, thyme, chili powder. Everything is ready, guys. Let's start to brown the lamb shanks first. Heat rise, you can see the crust. You need this one. I'm gonna add
After that,
onion. And I'm going to add marination stock.
for 3 minutes we're gonna take out the lamb shanks.
Right. Adding garlic.
Couple of more minutes, it's the perfect time to adding all the vegetables.
On this point, I'm gonna add thyme, dry stuff, coriander powder, salt, chili, paprika, curry powder, zero, drizzle of water.
Now on slow heat, let it simmer for 4 minutes. After that, we're gonna adding walnuts.
Apricot.
After another 4 minutes, we're gonna add lamb shanks.
Yeah. Perfect. Now we're gonna add water. Enough.
When it starts boiling, we're gonna add tomato sauce, almost 2 cups.
That's it. Wow. Super.
After another 6-7 minutes, we're gonna turn off the heat.
Super. Orange. Deseeded orange. Oven is preheated on 360 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna cook it.
Almost 3.5 hours.
Water, adding potatoes. Oops. Perfect.
Guys, before you start feeling it, make sure it's cold.
Pinch of salt and pepper. Some fresh lime. That's it.